Thank you, Pratibha. Good afternoon, everyone. And my name is Archie Singh, and I'm also in the final year of my BBA program at Alinmite Patna. I'm also a CAT aspirant pursuing my preparation to IIM Wala Patna. We both are delighted to extend a very warm welcome to our esteemed guest, Dr. Swati Bhatnagar ma'am, and our respected mentor of IIM Wala Patna, Sunil sir.
So this special session organized by IIM Wala Patna on the topic Key Skills to Master Before Entering Business Schools. The session will be delivered by Dr. Swati Bhatnagar ma'am, Assistant Professor at the New Delhi Institute of Management.
Let me share a little about our speaker. Dr. Swati Bhatnagar ma'am has been working as an assistant professor at NDIM since July 2022. She completed her PhD from Delhi Technological University, where she studied distribution channel conflict in the FMCG sector. She is also UGC NET qualified and holds an MBA. With a strong academic foundation, she brings a wealth of knowledge and experience to NDIM.
Adding to that, Dr. Swati Bhatnagar ma'am has more than 18 years of combined academic and industry experience. She specializes in sales, distribution, channel management, both behavioral and structural aspects, and the emerging field of marketing analytics. She has also presented research at reputed conferences such as DTU, IIFT, Delhi and MIT Business Schools, and has contributed for Scopus index papers to international journals.
Now let me tell you a little about NDIM, where she currently serves. NDIM is a premier management institute established in 1992 by the Society for Employment and Career Counseling, a registered non-profit education society. Under the leadership of its chairman, Dr. Vishnu Mohan Bansal sir, NDIM has been continuously working towards providing quality education and career development.
The foundation of NDIM was laid by eminent leaders, including freedom fighters Jaswant Rai Bansal, senior UPSC officials, judges of the Supreme Court of India, the Deputy Governor of RBI, and other distinguished civil servants. Their vision was to raise the standard of Indian education to global benchmarks while nurturing students with knowledge, values, and international exposure.
With these words, I request our honorable guest to further continue and share his valuable insights with us.
Thank you.
These are the job roles coming up in the area of marketing, right? Similarly, for operations, logistics, supply chain, right? उसमें हमारी job skills हैं, उसमें there are companies, I think it was Lloyd, or there was one more company, I'm forgetting the name right now. They come for operations roles there as well, right? For them, Zoho Analytics and Tableau is very important, right? So and Lindo, Lingo, Gurubi, ये सारे इनके operations के software होते हैं, जिससे आपको jobs profiles, business analyst, data analyst, inventory manager, all these are coming up. Even Reliance Retail picked up students for this particular background, right? So this is for operations, and then for analytics. आजकल analytics काफी favor में, everybody wants to do data science and analytics, but analytics is not a pure course. I hope all of you understand what I'm trying to tell you. सिर्फ analytics से कोई फायदा नहीं होने वाला, right? Analytics तो आप apply करोगे ना marketing, HR, finance और operations में. Analytics is a method or tool to be applied on a domain knowledge. Domain knowledge तो marketing की होगी, HR की होगी या finance की. तो अगर हम सिर्फ data scientist बन जाए, but हमें पता नहीं data का मतलब क्या है, कोई फायदा नहीं होने वाला. You should be able to understand data, then only you can do analytics step, right? So these are, so we have a business analytics specialization as well for our students, right? Where SQL, Python, Azure Cloud, NLP, all of this is taught to the students and they train on analytics as well, right? So these are the job skills which are coming up right now, right? So things are, so that's my submission to you. Focus on your skill set. I'm from sales, right? तो मैं बच्चों को जब क्लास में पढ़ाती हूँ तो मैं उनको ट्रेनिंग के लिए एक एब्रिविएशन देती हूँ KSA. KSA क्या होता है? नॉलेज जो आपको MBA के डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट से मिल जाएगी. स्किल्स, we just spoke on skills, right? And attitude. Do you give up easily? You like challenges, right? To be brave and daring. That is what you need to, that is industry. So look at your KSA there and focus on your skill set, develop your skill sets there and be employable and don't just crack your placement. Look at the long-term employability, right? So, and that's my session here. Any questions, anybody? Please feel free to ask. कुछ भी doubt है, it's perfectly okay. कोई question, stupid question नहीं होता. Any question you want to ask, you can ask. I have kept myself, मेरा personal prospectus भी रखा हुआ है. What is the latest about tariff? क्या चल रहा है इंडिया के ऊपर?
25% tariff.
He's put 25%, 50%. It has been reduced to 25 now. There were talks yesterday that he might reconsider. So, how many of us read newspaper? One or two? Just two of you? This should become your habit. और मैं इसका आपको एक और रीजन बताऊंगी क्यों. अगर आप ये सोच रहे हो कि अभी मेरा सिर्फ तैयारी करना एप्टीट्यूड के लिए, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग, क्वांट और कॉम्प्रिहेंशन, और जैसे ही कैट खत्म होगा मैं इमीडिएटली जीडी की तैयारी करूंगा, ऐसे नहीं होता है. पूरी जीडी में टॉपिक्स आते हैं, टॉपिक्स आपको बता के नहीं आते. टॉपिक्स कैन कम फ्रॉम एनी एरिया. यू कैन नॉट प्रिपेयर ओवरनाइट कि क्या क्या चल रहा है. अगर आप रेगुलर हो गए न्यूज़पेपर से तो आप कंफर्टेबल हो गए किसी भी टॉपिक पे बोलने के, राइट. सो प्लीज रीड न्यूज़पेपर, बी अवेयर ऑफ वट एवर इज हैपनिंग, right? What is the latest going on? This is something which sets you apart. क्योंकि हम लोग अपना ओपिनियन देते हैं. If I ask you, is AI good or bad? If I ask you this question, is AI good or bad for the future? हम लोग यहाँ पर अगर ये क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी, most of you will give a opinion. I feel this, I feel that. But क्या मैं उसी क्वेश्चन को मैं आंसर फैक्ट्स और फिगर्स के साथ दे सकती हूँ? अकॉर्डिंग टू द रीसेंट न्यूज, 78% people have lost their jobs at Microsoft.
Vijeta, be the next. Please be ready. Vijeta. Vijeta.
So today at IIM Wala we have Dr. Swati Bhatnagar ma'am for a really insightful session. So ma'am, how was your first time at IIM Wala delivering such a great informative session to all the CAT aspirants out here?
So I really enjoyed the session and the students were very interactive. They had their inhibitions, they were a little reserved in the initial part, but I think then they all opened up and they were asking questions later on, and they were asking very meaningful questions. So really enjoyed answering them, and it's always great the kind of hospitality I got there here and the kind of reception I got. It was really a very a touching experience out here. So look forward to coming more over here for more and more sessions, and it's important that we guide the students in the right manner. Students at this stage are very they are like in a raw phase right now. If they get good information at this point of time and a good guidance, it can really work wonders for them. So I think that is what the purpose was. So
Thank you so much ma'am.
Thank you.